Hello Southbay friends and neighbors, welcome to our monthly market watch. We break down everything happening in real estate. And if it wasn't for last year's real estate market, I don't know what I'd say right now to explain what's happening in the first quarter of 22, but it's nuts, it's craziness. There's just a frenzy of buyers out there trying to secure their piece of real estate. Why is this happening? Well, we're going to break this all down for you. So if you're a seller, you need to listen up. If you're a buyer, we've got some strategies. All these things are important, but there's neighborhoods like Blossom Valley and Cambrian that are just seeing record prices in excess of 20% over list price on numbers that are already up from last year. So we're just talking about 40% increases in a short amount of time. It's just astronomical numbers. But we're going to break this down for you, show you what's happening. Let's get started. Okay, so here we are talking about what's happening and what's changed in this market in the first quarter of 22. And there's been a lot of changes that have just happened rapidly. I mean, interest rates are starting to go up. The stock market's been volatile. We've got this, war in Europe. So people are like, what do we do with our money? And a lot of people are saying, hey, I want to get some of the money out of the stock market. Typically they might, buy gold. It's like, that's like the historical thing people do, right? It's like, hey, it's a long-term hold. It's secure, but real estate is, think of that as your gold. It's basically, you're hedging your bet against inflation. You're fixing your housing costs at low rates today. And that's why we're seeing just a flurry of activity in the market where people are selling their stocks to buy these homes and they're paying record prices because they're seeing the long-term advantage of where this could be years down the road. So these are the things you need to know if you're a seller thinking of selling. I mean, now is the time to take advantage of these situations to get top dollar. I mean, there's homes that we're seeing that are going for in excess of 20% over list price, which is equating to, $500,000 over the asking price. It's just, these are the numbers you need to know. And, you might not get that from a Zillow or a Redfin or any of these online sites that are just computer driven, and they're not up to the minute information that we're seeing on the streets out there, writing offers in Blossom Valley, Cambrian, watching these prices just go through the roof. You need somebody with the boots on the ground to tell you this information. Maybe on the other side you're a buyer, and how do we get into this market? Well, we've got some strategies and tools that are just huge and you need to know about, and we're here to help with those tools, help you win these multiple offers and get that piece of real estate you're looking for. So we've got you covered whether you're selling, buying. Again, we're your real estate resource. We're here to help, and that's where reaching out to me is huge. Look forward to hearing from you. Make it a great day.